We started looking at Class C's, and then I just really wanted the fifth wheel because the safety and the ease of pulling them. So then we got, yanked around by another dealer, no names. And so I was on RV Trader and I saw that Napomo had the same one. And so I called and I got Aaron on the phone. And he was so cool because he was like, I gave him what I needed in our truck, when Joe had written a list for the one we wanted, told Aaron the price that I wanted, and he called me back in 15 minutes and said done. It was that easy.